Today, the market gives every participant the same promise and the same warning. The promise is opportunity. The warning is that not every path to profit is built for every person. The two most common paths are investing and trading, and although people often use the words as if they mean the same thing, they are fundamentally different in purpose, pace, and discipline. Investing is the practice of putting money into an asset with the expectation that its value will grow over time. A business owner, a mutual fund manager, or a long-term individual investor may buy shares of a company, hold them for years, and benefit from growth, dividends, and compounding. The investor is usually not trying to win today. The investor is trying to build wealth steadily, with patience and control. Trading is different. Trading is about buying and selling assets more actively in an effort to profit from short-term changes in price. A trader may hold a position for minutes, hours, days, or weeks, but the goal is still the same: to capture movement. Where the investor asks whether the company is worth owning, the trader asks where the price is likely to move next. This difference in time horizon creates a difference in mindset. Investors tend to focus on fundamentals such as earnings, debt, cash flow, management quality, and competitive advantage. Traders tend to focus on price charts, momentum, volume, volatility, and market sentiment. The investor thinks like a business partner. The trader thinks like a technician of timing. Risk also works differently in each approach. Investment risk is often tied to the long-term strength of the asset and the broader economy. Short-term volatility matters less if the underlying business remains solid and the holding period is long enough. Trading risk is more immediate. A trader can be right about direction and still lose money if the timing is poor, the position size is too large, or emotions take control. That is why trading usually demands stricter rules. Traders need entry points, exit points, stop-loss levels, and position sizing discipline. They also need the ability to accept losses without hesitation. In trading, small mistakes repeated often can become expensive very quickly. In investing, mistakes may take longer to show, but poor analysis or overconfidence can still cause major damage. The cost structure also differs. Trading usually involves more frequent transactions, which can mean higher fees, spreads, taxes, and decision fatigue. Investing is often more efficient because it requires fewer trades and less constant attention. For many people, this is a major advantage. Time is a resource, and not everyone can monitor markets throughout the day.